So hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another interesting stream. In this session, we are going to analyze Indian stocks, Indian indices, and if you want me to analyze any particular stock, you can write in the chat box. We'll analyze the same. And if you want me to analyze any indexes, might be any crypto, any forex, currency pairs. Okay, you can ask anything and any doubts. And if you want me to analyze a particular stocks, if you want to know about any fundamental or any technical analysis, let me know in the comment section or in the chat box. We'll analyze the same section. We will analyze the same stock. Okay. So this is our Nifty chart. Okay, if you see this Nifty in one day, so we are seeing continuously selling in the market. So there might be multiple reasons, like the Trump tariff of 25% on India, and even though on Thursday we have seen a proper reversal from the bottom, but yesterday they confirmed that the market has to fall little more. And if you look this chart, there is a gap to be filled up in Nifty, which was around May 9 and 10. Okay, there was an huge gap opening uh, in the month of May, that is May 9th to 10th. Okay, so this was the gap the market need to fill up, and hopefully this will be fill up in upcoming days only. So there might be chances of Nifty to cover this gap, and it might move to the 24,100, or it may go up to the 24,000, because this is an psychological level. So we can expect fall in the Indian market till 24,000, or till the gap to be filled up, that is around 24,100. So our first target must be 24,100, then 24,000. And if you look at the monthly chart also, you will be seeing a double top and reversal from the 26,000, and exactly after the July month candle closing, that is a kind of bearish piercing candle. After that, proper selling we are seeing, okay, in this month. So somewhere the market has to come around this 24,000, then we can see the reversal in Indian market. Okay, this is buying retracement. Okay, this retracement must come around 24,000, because there is a two reason, that is 50% of this impulsive move, and also there is a gap to be filled up. So this is all about Nifty. On Monday we can expect a fall in Indian market. Okay, and as you see on yesterday, that is Friday, so Nifty has fallen around 0.95%, which is almost 1%. So which is a big selling in the market, and the downtrend is continuing. Hopefully we will see a reversal from this zone only. So still there is a space to fall in Nifty. So if you are having put position, you can hold, and if you are having call positions, better to exit as soon as possible. If you want me to analyze any particular stocks, you can write in the chat so that I will analyze the same stock. And if you want me to analyze any particular fundamental analysis, or it might be technical analysis, and if you have any doubts, you can ask. And if you see the top gainers on the Friday, in large cap, we are having LIC, BPCL, NTPC, Titan. Okay. And if you see the mid cap stocks, Bank of Maharashtra, Cummins India, Services, HPC. The Bank of Maharashtra is trading around 55. It was at very less price few months back. So let me check this. So it was trading around 25 rupees 2 years back. So almost this stock also doubled. So if you look at the stock, currently it is trading around 55,000. Let us open its terminal so that we'll get an idea what this stock is doing. Right. If you see stocks, you need to observe in 1 day chart only. You should not go for any smaller time frame for individual stocks. And if I see 1 day chart of this Bank of Maharashtra, right. See in 1 day chart, what it is showing after this retracement, the market has moved upside. Okay. And if you look at this 1 day chart, what we are seeing is the market was in uptrend and it took a retracement. Now market is moving in again uptrend. Okay, so we have to go for a little more higher time frame, like 1 week. Yes, in 1 week we are seeing proper retracement and proper uptrend move. Okay, so let me show you. Right, it was making an higher lows, then it made even though higher low, it was an higher low, then it was one lower low when compared to this previous low, but this major previous low was not broken and market again started from this low to a new high. And if this high breaks, then definitely we can expect a target of around 80 to 90. Okay, but once it has to break the high of 60 rupees. Bank of Maharashtra, if it breaks the 60 rupees high, then we can expect above this 70 and 80 level. So there is a space between 60 to 70. Okay, once this 60 breaks, then only we can expect a momentum in this stock. And if you look at this 12th May 12th May candle, that is this 12th May candle's low where the gap up was done, and this low was also broken. So most probably we can expect a gap fill up. Okay, now if you look at a stock which I have to open on my screen, it is called National Security Depository, okay, NSDL Limited. Okay, if you see the stock which was came into the NSE, I think 3 days back. Okay, they launched their IPO. Look at the stock has moved like crazy. Okay, it was, I think, opened on August 6 itself, right? So August 6 it was opened somewhere at 880 rupees, and within 3 days this stock has moved to 1300, which is a crazy returns, almost 44% of your investment. Okay, why this stock has moved 44% just in 3 days? Okay, and look at its market cap, which is 26,000 crores, and debt to equity is almost zero. Okay, it was an excellent. Look at the profit of this uh, stock or company: 189, 213, 235, 275, 43 crores. Okay, and if you see the shareholding pattern also, it is an government authorized stock. Okay, uh, domestic institutions are 40%, retailers are 44%, FIIs are 15%, and mutual funds are just 3%. Again, now they want to involve in this stock. Okay, So this is a Doge coin, and if you look at this coin, which has made so much up and downs, and also if you look at this coin, which is now currently trading around 20 rupees in INR, and hopefully this has to move upside because this is one of the most popular meme coin, and it is also a holding of Elon Musk. Now a upper circuit is started. Hopefully if this resistance breaks, then definitely we can see this previous all-time high. So usually VIX is high right now, the volatility will be more, so better to trade in index safely. And if you look at BTC also trading around 117, and this is an 7 p.m. candle where the US market opens, and as per our analysis, here the resistance has turned into support. We can expect a buying moment in the market. So I think it's going to trap the sellers and will move upside. Let's see what happens. Hopefully it has to move upside because of this resistance turned into support. So if I open 5-minute chart, and right now it should be my entry on long side and with SL below the previous candle's low, previous not previous, the previous swing low. So as per my analysis, what it's saying is, even if this kind of big red candle, we will expect a buying momentum in the market, at least till this high, and our SL must be very small. So because there is a resistance which turned into support, and also if you look at this candle, where we have seen a reversal, and it might be a kind of double bottom. And if this level breaks, then definitely this support going to break. So that's why our SL is very strong, very small, and where we are expecting a big target, almost 1:11. Just our SL won't hit. And if you want clear picture, you can go for 1 minute chart. So we have seen the Bank of Maharashtra, and as I said, this stock is now converted in uptrend. So it's just that we have to wait till this strong resistance breaks. Once this resistance breaks, then definitely we can expect first target as 72, and then we can expect a target of 80, 85 in between those. Okay, then we can see again a kind of a reversal or retracement. So only after the breakout of 60, then this 70 target we can see, and after that we can expect 84 to 85. This would be our second target, but only if this resistance breaks, because multiple rejection we have seen from this level. And if this breaks, then definitely the stock will turn into an uptrend by breaking the previous high. Then we can expect easy targets of 71, 72. So this stock is trading at very low price if you look at the stock price. And as I shown before, it was only 25 rupees just I think 2 years back. Your capital would have been doubled if you have invested 2 years back. Let me show you. Yes, see, if you look at the March or around June 2023, it was around 24 to 27 rupees. And now it is 55, almost doubled. Okay, this stock doubled within 2 years. And look at the market cap, 42,000 crores, which is an excellent market cap, because usually we consider more than 30,000 or 25,000 crore is an large cap companies, and you can invest without uh, means fear in large cap companies, because you know how the stables are these companies. So this is also one of the large cap company, and if you look at the profit of this company, year on by year, it has been increased. like 570 crores to 1000 crores, then 2000 crores, then 4000 crores, then 5000 crores. Every year, this stock or this Bank of Maharashtra are making their profits double or almost they are reaching their max potential, and this chart only tells by itself that how strong this Bank of Maharashtra is. And the major thing is the promoters are holding this stock for so long, they are not been decreased by a just single percent of their investments. Okay, see these promoters 79.6 in October 2024, then even in the December also same, March also same, June also same, which means if the promoters are strong, if the promoters are holding the stocks, which means the bank or the stock is performing exceptionally well and they are making a good business, they are making a good profit, so we can invest in this kind of stocks. Okay, even DIIs are holding this stock for 10%. And look at the BTC, as I told, it will reverse from this level. If I go for 5-minute chart, you will see this. Okay, so it was a completely trap candle, and we know that there was an resistance turns into support. From this level only market will move upside. Okay, this was a trap candle, and the retailers who ever sold here would have been trapped completely. The sellers has been trapped. And once again, I want to share you this NSDL stock is performing exceptionally well. This is a government regulated stock, and this stock was started on 6th August with initial price of 880 rupees. Okay, just on August 6th, 880. And now, if you look at the stock is trading around 1300, almost 44% returns. Okay, 392 rupees has been increased since the IPO has launched, which is an exceptional returns, 44% in 3 days. Okay, and you have to analyze by yourself. Look at the chart, look at the fundamentals, understand how it works and what are their business. Then go and invest in the stocks which you analyze by yourself, not by influencing by any others. So this is a crazy candle, 8821300 NSDL. Hello, brother. Tech Life. Your name, brother? ब्रदर आप एक्सनेक्स में ट्रेडिंग करते हो क्या? हाँ भाई, एक्सनेक्स में करता हूँ। गोल्ड, BTC, US ऑयल, US टेक, US 30, ये सब में करता हूँ। फिलहाल थोड़ा डिपॉजिट और विड्रॉल का इशू है उसमें, क्योंकि वो ऐप अपडेट कर रहे हैं। तो एज ऑफ नाउ थोड़ा UPI का भी उसमें डिपॉजिट का ऑप्शन नहीं है एक्सनेक्स में। ब्रदर आप मेरी हेल्प कर सकते हो। मैं आपको पेमेंट कर देता हूँ, आप प्लीज़ डिपॉजिट करा सक अ, करा के दो भाई। आप उसमें फ़िलहाल UPI का पेमेंट ऑप्शन नहीं दिखा रहा है भाई एक्सनेक्स में। उसके लिए आपको बाइनांस से P2P का ट्रांजैक्शन करना होगा। आपका आपके पास बाइनांस अकाउंट है तो आप बाइनांस से P2P ट्रांजैक्शन करके डिपॉजिट कर सकते हो। आपको कोई क्वेरीज है तो मैं कॉन्टैक्ट्स डिटेल्स दिया हूँ वहाँ पे। आप वहाँ पे टेक्स्ट करके आपको क्वेरी कुछ भी है तो पूछ सकते हो। हाँ ब्रदर, मैं ट्राई किया था, बाइनांस में अकाउंट वेरीफाई नहीं हो रहा है। एक्सनेक्स टू एक्सनेक्स डिपॉजिट कर सकते हैं, मैं पंजाब से हूँ। भाई मेरे स्क्रीन पे आपको मेरा टेलीग्राम और इंस्टाग्राम का आईडी दिख रहा है, वहाँ पे आप मुझे कांटेक्ट करो। मैं कोशिश करता हूँ आपका डिपॉजिट कराने की। ब्रदर मैं इंस्टा से मैसेज कर दा कर दिया। हाँ ठीक है भाई, कर दो। देखते हैं, उधर उधर मैसेज कर दो। अगर होता है तो मैं आपकी मदद कर दूंगा डिपॉजिट करने में। Now I have trailed my SL from this stop loss to my buying price. If market reverse from this also, it doesn't matter to me because I will exit at cost. Okay, I will exit cost to cost. So now my risk has zero risk in this trade. Either big profit or I will exit with zero loss because my entry was here and my stop loss was very small. And when the market started moving in my direction, I trailed myself from 1168,885 to my buying price. Okay, if this red candle hit my SL also, I will exit with zero loss. Simple logic. Keep your SL small and hold your target to big. Okay, so my trailing SL hit and I will exit with zero loss. Okay, still not. Okay, almost. When the market reverses, we have to keep our stop loss to our buying price. Okay, that's we call it as a trailing SL. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this stream. I hope you enjoyed this stream and learned something from this stream. And if you want to learn more, you can follow me and subscribe to this channel. And if any of your friends interested to learn, you can share this channel to them. And thank you so much for watching.